Hey everybody, and welcome once again to my channel. In this week's video, I wanted to present you a guide on how to create extensions for the Spree e-commerce platform. To do that, I was going to base myself on a Spree extension that I created for Vivejon, which is a store I have with my wife, which uses Spree Commerce. This extension allows the customer to provide some information in order to give the kits as a present, as for example a recipient's name and a dedication note. But as you can see from this introduction already, the video was getting too long, so I decided to split it in two. In today's video, I will go first presenting you the gem, and then next week we will go to the guide on creating the Spree extensions directly. Spree Commerce is an open source e-commerce platform built using Ruby on Rails. I think it's a very complete platform, and if you are a Ruby on Rails developer, it allows you to create stores very fast. In fact, this is the engine we are using for Vivejon. Basically, what Spree Commerce does is to provide you all the functionalities that you would expect from an e-commerce platform. And on top of that, it's really easy to extend. First, because it's open source. So as a Ruby on Rails developer, you can contribute to it by fixing some bugs, adding some functionalities, basically keeping the project alive. And for me, personally, that's something I love to do. And second, because it can be extended through extensions. Extensions allow you to include functionality that is not needed by every store in every country of the world. Examples for these extensions can be extensions for invoicing, extensions for payment gateways, or extensions to support different languages. The good thing is that not only can you consume extensions provided by other developers, but also create your own, either to use them internally in your company or to share them with the rest of the world, which is what we did. As you can see, the concept for Spree extensions is similar to Ruby gems, and this is because they are in fact Ruby gems, as we will see in the last section of this video. Without further ado, let me introduce you the extension Spree It is a Present, which is the one I will use in my next video next week. And also let me tell you why we decided to create it. Very often at Vivejon, our clients buy our kits as a present for other people. If you already know Vivejon, you will know that we like to send you your natural raffia kit within a customized box with your name on it. This is very easy when the kit is for you or when the shipping address is the same as the person getting the present. But there are also people that buy the kit and prefer to get the shipment at home and then give it to the person themselves. Spree Commerce has no way of introducing this information in the default checkout form, so in the end, Maria found herself many times calling or sending out emails to the client to see whether the shipment was a present, and at some point she told me that she needed a solution for this. The first option I tried was to see if there was already an extension available for this, but as you can imagine, I didn't find any. So at this point, the only option was to create something ourselves. The first alternative would be to add this directly to Vivejon, but we also had the option to create an extension and share it with the world. And on top of that, this was an opportunity to learn something new. So this is how Spree It is a Present was born. So let's see how the extension looks like. For that we are going to use Vivejon. So the interface is only in Spanish, but the gem is definitely also supported in English and German. So we are buying here kit and let's say that we want to buy this as a guest, continue as a guest, and here in the default Spree implementation we already see that there are no fields to introduce the recipient's name or the dedication in case we want to give this as a present. So to add that, we add the gem here, we install it, and once it is installed, we run migrations with this generator here. This generator, what it's going to do is install some migrations which add a new model to Spree called Spree present nodes, which has two fields basically. One for the recipient's name and the other one is for the dedication. So now it has copied the migration and now it's running it, and the last step in order to install the gem is just restart the server, which is what I'm doing right now. And once it restarted, we just reload the page and we should be able to see the fields here. So yeah, it says is it a present, and here you have a field to enter the name of the person who is going to get the present and also a field for the dedication. So we would say that we are Homer Simpson, which lives in some street, I don't know, Springfield, which is in my province for sure. This is the zip code, and let's fake a Spanish phone number. So then we will see it's a person. Who's the recipient's name? It's Marge Simpson. And the dedication, just this for you, Marge. Then we save and continue. We select shipping method. And also we add a fake card number. Save and continue. We check that everything is fine. We confirm the order. And yeah, payment is done. Success. So the other side of the extension would be now in the administration backend, right? So we go to orders and then we see that there is a new order from Homer Simpson. And if we go to client details, we say that it says this order is a present and the name of the person who is getting the present is there, and also the dedication node. And that's it. I hope you like it. We would like to know that you are enjoying the gem. And of course, as it is open source, we are also looking forward to your contributions. So if you think there is something to improve or you find some bugs there, you are very welcome to create an issue or a pull request. Next week I will tell you how to create these extensions, and also I will give you some tips that don't come in the official guides. Adiós!